I'm gonna hack Adrian's R34 up, and he's gonna watch me do it.
Oh, whoa.
Hell no, man. What the
All right, so we're back working on the R34. Today we're gonna work more on the back here, and we're gonna chop the inner parts and try to get it all lined up, and we're gonna start trying to weld it together today. Hopefully we can get that taken care of. And yeah, these videos are just gonna be turned into a bunch of chopping on the rear end, but but anyways, more chopping back here.
Oh, are we on the we're recording?
We're always recording.
Adrian, or bleep that out too. Adrian always be recording me when I'm not even paying attention. Anyways,
Candid.
I'm gonna hack Adrian's R34 up, and he's gonna watch me do it.
Oh,
Whoa.
hell no, man. What the
Would be nice to have your wheels on.
No.
Actually, this is actually pretty good.
Yeah. The amount of abuse this car had to undertake here in America. Lived its whole life in Japan, unabused.
First, Adrian gave it to a crackhead.
I didn't give it to him. Crackhead just took it. All right, now that we got this already in place, I'm gonna sand it here in a second to get it prepped for the weld. But I'm also gonna remove, not sure if you can see it here, for the gas tank, I need to push it back. So there's a screw under there, hard to show, but then I can take off the cover and I'll be able to push the neck back. While Nari's struggling to put on the sander.
Oh, no struggle. But
There.
a little bit. Anyways, there's no explanation, but this is your cheap Harbor Freight tool, but Nakai-san uses it too, so it's just a belt sander. This will adjust this guy. This side, as the rotation goes, it'll go this way, so then it'll spit all the stuff going to the car, but if you do it this way, it's gonna spit all the stuff to you.
All right.
So what you wanna do, turn it, and then you wanna just clean all the edges. You just
Yeah.
clean this. We're just gonna sand
Oh, so just the line.
just the line, just a little bit here. No, actually no here.
Okay,
Just a line. He's gonna smoothen all this. See, all these stuff will come off. And then so he's gonna be sanding the line so we can weld it. Example. You will have to be careful with some of these. These have a lot thicker. So if it does have a little thicker stuff, just come take your.
Oh, got you. Yeah.
See?
Yeah, pull off the whole piece.
Pulls it all off. Kind of just go through it first, I guess.
Cool.
Pull the thicker one. But
Yeah.
yeah, just line like that.
All right.
And then you will be able to just weld. But yeah, it's really thick metal.
Yeah. So is that good or bad for welding?
It's really good.
Okay, cool.
Really good.
Cool. All right. Let me get
That's
to
how
it.
you know the Skylines are expensive, because they use thicker metal, and you know that's why you get the GTR tax for the GTR fenders. Salvage title now.
All right, so Nari's putting the clamps on.
We just put the clamps on, so if you take a look in the back, it's just butted up, and then we can weld it together. And then as you can see from up above, in between the line, our welder can just get right there.
Yep. Tack it all together.
Tack it all together.
So by tomorrow, this should look legit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and coat this. Just get some rust protection on it, and I'll show you the after results.
Just like that.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all you need. That's already getting through.
Yeah.
You can do it all the way up to this line right here. So you can get a little closer. You don't have to make it this wide. I'll probably just stick with this guy.
That like this size here?
Yeah, just yeah, that size is good. It goes very quick. And then when you get the DA sander, you just kind of scuff all of it, and also kind of scuff in this area too, so it kind of flattens a little bit. Because right now you can actually feel the depth of the paint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I'll just do a line about this thick all the way down.
Yeah, and then see how I kind of went a little too much.
Yeah.
So you can see it's eating the metal.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
don't have to, it's very subtle. So like.
All right, we're back from where we left off last night. We are gonna fit the kit on here and try to add the seal so we can get it sealed up. All right, we're getting so in it, trying to get this thing sealed up. Just want to make sure that we are kind of updating you guys on what we're doing. So we're sealing it right now. Nari's getting in there. You guys don't have to do anything, similar to this, but we're trying to make it good. So
this tape is metal. It's not just your average duct tape. So it's actually metal itself. But we're just putting the adhesive, and this is panel bonding glue. This is what you see when RWB put in, and this just kind of for factory. It's kind of like right here. That's what panel bonding is to put like metal to metal. We already weld the whole thing. This is just extra insurance. You don't need to do this, but this also covers a good amount of the slits that we did,
making it pretty sealed up. So I'm pretty happy with how it's going, with especially sealing it is a super important part to us because of the fact that this is a Skyline, and
we're in the Pacific Northwest.
Yeah, we're in the Pacific Northwest.
It rains all the time.
Yeah. So you guys, know how notorious Skylines are for rust. So we want to do everything we can to prevent any of that while putting on a very sick wide body kit. If you guys have any questions, you can always comment in the comment section and ask us. If we know, we can we'll respond with proper information or try to help you out. So just let us know.
Or we won't.
Yeah.
Depending on our feelings.
All right, so I was trying to save a little money and try to get the headlight brackets, these brackets here, but turns out that I do need the bumper support, which is like the most expensive part of getting the front fitment for the GTR front bumper. So you will need the whole thing. You'll need the headlight supports. You'll need these brackets, which are GTR brackets, left and right side. You'll need the GTR bumper support. You will need the upper support. This is like a seal that sits on top of the bumper to make it flush when you close the hood. Sorry, that was like the upper retainer or something like that. And then you'll need the upper bumper support. And yeah, that's the whole thing you need to fit the GTR front bumper properly.